So, today we got the dreaded message that our Magic the Gathering Arena client is out of date. Got to update it. So, I'm going to show you how to update in Linux with Lutris. You need to click the Forums button, scroll all the way down to Player Support, and how to update. This is the alternate updater. You have to make sure that the date here matches the current date of the update. Update just came out, so they do have the updated version. We'll click on that. We're going to save it. I'm going to save it. Downloads Linux. Wherever you want to save it, doesn't matter. Save. It's a small file, but what it does, it inserts an updater in the game client. So your big update will happen after you start the game, after you've applied this little patch. Close out your browsers, close out the outdated game message. You're going to open up Lutris, right click. You're going to run an exe and Sidewind prefix. Go to wherever you just downloaded that file. It was this one. Well, just for giggles, let's try again. So at this point, I've tried it 3 or 4 times. I tried it a couple times without the screen recorder recording, just in case that was interfering with it. And it's just the alternate updater is not going to work. So I'm going to show you the alternate to the alternate updater. Windows 10, VirtualBox. This has worked every time, to where the alternate updater has only worked about half the time. Otherwise, I wouldn't need an alternate to the alternate updater. But this has worked every time that I needed it to. And I'm just going to shut up, stop blabbering, and let you watch this, and we'll speed it up until I get to the end, where I'm going to show you to make sure that you're putting the folders in the right place. Other than that, enjoy the show. Now the game in Windows 10 is updated. I'm going to close it out. Right click on the icon, select open location, back up to where I see Wizards of the Coast, grab that folder, copy it. In VirtualBox, I set up a Windows shared folder so that I can transfer files in between VirtualBox, Windows 10, and my actual Linux client or host. The old one that I had from before, I'm deleting that now, and then I'll paste the new one into that location. Can probably do that in one step instead of saving it to a WinShare folder and then going into Linux and sharing that WinShare folder to the Lutris game folder. You can probably do that in one step, where this step would go straight to the Lutris game folder. I'm certain it would work. I just haven't done it yet. This is how I set it up originally, and I just haven't deviated from that. So the files are transferred over. Close this out. Fire the game up. And I guarantee it'll work. Works every time. The alternate to the alternate updater.